Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Greenwood, and I just wanted to check in with you one last time before we hit for the summer 2020. I hope it goes well for everybody, as we've had some interesting times as of late, and hope you're all healthy and safe still. As we know, academics have taken a back seat to just our daily lives and everything. So just wanted to kind of reflect here with you, give you a time to reach out. I still answer my email over the summer. Wanted to make sure you remember to check out our website as we always have news there. And over here on the right hand side, you should see the most current announcements when it comes to food for students. Also some other summer opportunities that might become available when things open back up, and or just resources that you and your family might need. So don't forget to reach out. Please reach out through email if you need to get a hold of me. Like I said, I'll check it often. And just disappointed the way the school year came to an end. We usually have a lot of fun this week with school barbecue and shop cleanup. So this is my favorite time of year because we get to hang out and reflect and see who learned a lot and did some fun stuff. And then I really missed the aerospace certificate award ceremony barbecue because that's where I kind of get to turn it into a Comedy Central roast and get to talk a little bit about each and every one of you, and what you're going to be doing in your future endeavors. So I wish you all the best of luck moving forward. For some reason, if you need something from me, digital files, uh, physical equipment from the shop locker, email me and I'll get that bagged up and set in the office for you. And you can get a hold of our administrators or myself and we'll get that organized for you. Look forward to connecting with you through email over the summer or potentially face to face in the fall. Really hoping forward to getting back to a normal school year, as that's kind of what I've been missing most of my life. And as I think we've been kind of quarantined for a while, I think it's been giving us time to reflect, and so wanted to share just a short note on my reflection, um, primarily. And it really, this time away has really allowed me to focus on myself, which I think a lot of us forget to do. In emergency situations, you have to save yourself before you can save others. And I think some of us forget to do that in non-emergency, just life, everyday daily life, helping out our siblings, doing some other things. But just don't forget to take care of yourself first. For me, that meant my health, doing more things like yoga and other things, to take care of my personal health, as I came across some health issues as of late, and now I know I can't take those things for granted, and just eating better and doing different things like that. So just wanted you all to know, I hope you've had time to reflect and learn a little bit more about yourself, and I hope you take care of yourself. Whether you're a senior moving forward, and taking care of yourself means focusing on your educational pathways, then that's what you need to do. Life comes with different moments and timing for people. You don't have to be on the same page with everybody moving forward. You do you, but just do it to the best of your ability and give it 100%, so that way you have no regrets. Um, if you're in the OneNote page, I encourage you to just listen to a quick 5 minute song. It's a pretty good song, and it's kind of a spoof off of a graduation ceremony, um, speaker and giving advice. And I find it comical, but I also find some very important things to think about as you move forward in life. Wish you nothing but the best. Here's to closing out the school year of 2019-2020. God bless. Take care. Go options. And thanks for taking my classes in aerospace. And especially thanks to all of you for putting up with me when I was grumpy. So take care, everybody.